Happy May the 4th be with you. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry, I just had to do that. Hi, this is Miss Jess from the Bookonic Library, and today is May 4th, and we celebrate it by saying May the 4th be with you. That's a Star Wars thing. So I have this awesome book called Star Wars, The Galaxy Needs You. And then I have not one, not two, but 3 crafts that you can come and pick up at the library. Let's see if you know who these guys are. Ready? Who's this? I'll give you a hint. Chewbacca. And what about this little guy? What do you think that is? Yoda, that's right. And how about this little guy? Beep boop bop boop beep boop. R2-D2. And we have the bag with everything you need. The googly eyes, the popsicle sticks, all the little bits and pieces in here. And I'm gonna show you how to make them as well because I like it and it's fun, so we're gonna do it together. But first, the galaxy needs you. There is nobody else in the galaxy exactly like you. No one else is smart the way you're smart or is kind in the particular way you're kind. And nobody else is brave the way you're brave. You are a hero in the making. Follow along with Rey on her hero's journey and never forget that, just like her, you have everything inside yourself that you need to succeed. All you have to do is reach for it. The galaxy needs you. Have you ever stopped to think about how there is nobody else in the galaxy who is exactly like you? Just you, right? Even if you have a twin, nobody's exactly like you. Nobody else has your hair or your eyes or your smile. Nobody else is smart in the way you're smart. You could be super smart at reading. You could be smart at science. You could be smart at doing sports or at being kind. Or all of them. Or curious in the way you're curious. Nobody else likes the exact same things you like. What kind of things do you like? Or is kind in the particular way you're kind? Aww. Nobody else is strong in the same way you're strong. Can I see how strong you are? Show me your muscles. Go. Oh man, you're so strong. Have you been working out? Excellent. Or makes friends the way you do. Will you be my friend? Oh, fantastic. I love new friends. And nobody is brave the way you're brave. So brave. You are truly one of a kind. You have everything inside yourself that you need to succeed. All you have to do is reach for it. You reach for it? Reach. Grab it. Good. And not be afraid. Does she look afraid? She looks so brave. No matter where the journey takes you. Oh, who's that? Does that look familiar? It's our Chewbacca. He looks a little better there. Or who you meet. You're gonna meet all kinds of people on your journey, right? Or what you learn along the way. Know that it's okay to make mistakes. I make mistakes all the time. If you watch my videos, you know that. But it's okay. As long as you face your problems head on. And fight for what you believe in. That doesn't necessarily mean fight with your fists. We fight with our words and with our actions. Even if someone tries to tell you that you're nothing or nobody, don't listen. They don't know. They don't know you. Just know that simply isn't true. You can do hard things. I know you can. You can do really hard things. And you can fix things that seem impossible to fix. So hold on to what makes you special. Because you're all special in lots of little and big ways. And work hard to learn and grow every day. There's always something you can learn, right? Whether it's in school or just out and about. Stick with the friends who cheer you on each step of the way. One of those friends looks familiar. Let me see. Yeah, R2. Beep, boop, bop, boop, beep, boop. And there's Chewbacca over there. Chewbacca! Love those Google eyes. And when things seem dark, remember to look to the light. Not the dark side, the light side. Because the galaxy needs you. Because there's nobody else like you. That book was awesome. I hope you liked it. So now I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'm gonna show you some awesome Star Wars crafts that we can do together. Make sure you come and pick them up at the library while supplies last. See you soon. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is split all your pieces into 3 piles because you don't wanna get everybody all mixed up, okay? So the first pile we're gonna do is for Chewbacca. So this is his body. You can tell that this is the front because that's his little smile, okay? You're gonna need this piece here, that's his belt. It's gonna go on like that. You're gonna need one of the sticks, 2 of the googly eyes, and 2 of these little hands here, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna glue his sash on, his little belt. So you can see it's gonna go on just like that. So I'm gonna get my glue. I'm gonna use this kind of glue because we're gonna need it for the googly eyes anyway. And I'm gonna put it on the sash. So that way I know exactly where to put it. Not too much. Okay. Glue that on. Fantastic. Step 1 complete. Okay, and now we're gonna do his little hands. I'm gonna put just a little bit of glue here, just on the end, because that's the only part that's gonna be actually touching him. Put one little arm here. And glue dries clear, so don't worry if you put a little too much on, because I always put too much on. I get excited. You can put his little hands anywhere you want. You can put them over the belt, up high, down low. So here I put them up high, but then on our little sample guy, they're kind of like down low, so it makes him kind of happy. And now I'm gonna put on my googly eyes. These really don't need a lot of glue, just like teeny tiny little drop. Well, probably even too much. There's one. And if you don't want to use the googly eyes, or if you've lost them or they've rolled away, which happens quite a lot, you can always just draw the eyes on. All right, and then the last step is the stick. So you can actually tape the stick on the back. I think that's what probably I would do. I don't know, is that what I did on that? Yeah, that's what I did on the sample. I don't have any tape on me right now. No, I don't. So I'm gonna see if I can glue it on just to see if it works. But I'd say probably tape would be better. That's it glued on, but if you want to do tape, you can just kind of crisscross the tape. Then you don't have to wait for it to dry before you play with it. And then we're going to put him aside, yes, and let him dry while we do the next one. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is Yoda. So of course we're going to need, oh, upside down, Yoda's little face. We're going to need Yoda's body. We're going to need Yoda's hands, 2. His little kind of outfit. Kind of looks like a little tie. It's the front of his shirt. And the Google eyes. All right, first step. Take the body here, and we're gonna put kind of the front part of the shirt right down the middle. So it kind of looks like a little tie. Could be a tie, could be a fancy day. Put a little bit on the brown shape and place that right in the middle. Like that. Okay, then we're gonna put his face on. Make sure the smile is facing out because that way you can see it. Unless you want to make your own face, then you can, do the back. Here we go, just on the top. Actually little bottom part there, because that's the only part that's gonna stick to the body. So you don't want to put glue everywhere because then you're just gonna glue them to the table. And we don't want that. All right, I'm gonna put those little hands on, and just like with Chewbacca, you can put the hands anywhere you want, but I would just put a teeny little bit of glue on the edge here because that's really the only part that's gonna be sticking to him. So you don't want the glue to be kind of all over the place. Okay, so for this one, I kind of put like one of his hands up and one of his hands down. But for the sample one, they're both down. So yeah, this kind of makes him look a little friendly, like he's kind of waving like, hey guys. All right, the googly eyes, teeny tiny drop of glue. Still too much glue. Okay, oh, this one's gonna be really cute. Whoops. Oh geez, so much glue. I should know by now to have like little wet wipes next to me because I just get so gluey. That's part of the fun. And then like I said, I would definitely tape the popsicle stick on the back, but since I don't have any tape on me right now, I'm just gonna kind of glue it on the back there. That's my little guy. Put him aside to dry. And then this last one, it's the most complicated one, so I left it for last. All the pieces you have left are what you're gonna be using. So you're gonna have this shape here, and you're gonna have these two shapes, which are gonna go on the side. So it almost kind of looks like a little rocket ship, right? And then this is the silver top, this little face, the dome. And then we're gonna have like one red button, and we're gonna have one blue button with the black dot on it, and then all these other little blue shapes. So you're gonna have little itty bitty pieces. So make sure you check that bag to see what's in there. Okay, so for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to glue his little arms on first. Just like I showed you, kind of looks like a little rocket ship. So you're only gonna need to put glue kind of right there because that's the only part that's gonna be touching him. Okay, glue, and if it's the wrong side that you put the glue on, you can always wait till it dries or wipe it off. All right, so that's the first step. So see, I've got his little legs on there. All right, so next we're gonna put the silver part on the top. Okay, so I'm gonna put glue on the back of that. So much glue. Okay, you can put glue on most of the back of that because it's gonna most of it's gonna be glued on there. Gonna slide it on there. Oop, my glue's sliding all over the place. Okay, so we got the top shiny part on. Then we're gonna do the buttons. So I'm gonna show you where the red button goes first. Oh, so much glue. Whee. Okay, so the red button goes right on the side like that. And then next we have the blue buttons. Okay, so first I'm going to show you where the regular blue buttons go. I doesn't have to be exactly how I'm doing it or how the picture shows. If you want, you can make your own little robot creature. This is just, I'm just following the directions here. Or I'm trying to anyway. So kind of have like a line. So you've got red, blue, blue. And then you take this one with the black dot on it, and that one's gonna go over the middle blue square. Blue, come out. There we go. Fantastic. So that's what I have so far. And then we're going to put the rest of his little buttons on. His little bells and whistles. Okay. So I'm gonna put this one here. That's the last kind of square or rectangle. It's gonna go kind of at the bottom there. And then you're gonna take the stripes and way too much glue, Jess, way too much glue. And you're gonna put the stripes on top, like so. They're all over the place with the glue. Okay. Kind of like that. So that's pretty close. Doesn't have to be perfect. I think it's kind of cute. And then I would definitely tape the popsicle stick on, but I'm just gonna glue it just to kind of show you. There we are. Oh, there he is. So now that I'm all gluey, yeah, I gotta clean this mess up. Oh geez. So R2, Yoda, Chewbacca. You can get your bag at the library. There's a whole bunch of other craft bags that are going to be on the same table, so you can grab one of each of those too if you'd like. And I hope to see you soon at the library. Don't forget, we're open, so you can come in. Actually, starting this week, we're back to our normal library hours. So we are open Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday, we're open 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And Saturdays, we're open 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you can come in any of those times. You can see me, you can see Miss Jen, you can see Miss Valerie, you can see Miss Kaylin. So come by and say hi. See you soon. Bye, guys.